In this video, I'm going to show you how to get code from Emergent AI. Now, the first thing you have to do here, of course, you must have an app built that you want to basically get the code off. And for example, for me, I have a calculator app over here. I'm going to open it up. And then whenever you actually are inside here, inside this chat box, you can see the code button up top. Now, if you are inside the preview, you may not be able to see it. So just click on this X button and it's going to show the code. Here, you want to click on code. And then you're going to get the VS Code link. So what I would recommend here is that you just basically copy the password and click on open in browser. And it's going to open up in a separate tab. And for the first time you do it, it's going to ask you to paste in the password. So just basically get this password, copy it, paste it in there, and then you'll get the access to this thing over here. What you can do from here is actually very easy. So you already have your code here on the left hand side. But if you would like to get it onto your computer, what you can do is actually simple. So you could just click on Ctrl A when in this block here. So Ctrl A to select everything. And you can just do right click and then download. And then over here, you want to select the folder you'd like to download this into. So I'm going to go to downloads and I've created a code folder over here. I'm going to double click it and click on select folder. And then you have to just allow it over here and save changes. And as you can see, this is going to happen a few times because there's going to be a bunch of different folders in here. So I'm just going to do select folder. And then yet again, I'm going to select this folder as the folder I want to put it in there. And this is just going to keep happening until you basically download each and every single part of this, okay? So whenever you do that, whenever that happens, you can then go ahead and open up your file explorer. And then in there, you'll be able to see your code, okay? So as you can see here, this is now the parts of the code I've downloaded, and if I go in here, I've basically successfully gotten my code, okay? So if, of course, you want to just get a specific part of this code, so for example, let's say I just wanted this bit, you can, of course, click it, right-click it, and then do download, and you could just download that part, okay? So, of course, you're free to do that as well. It's actually very, very simple to do, so just as I said, right-click, download, and you're good to go. You can get your code onto your computer. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.